Well, happy Father's Day to me. Got my Father's Day shirt on. In the 47 with Missy, ready to go to a car show. This one's in Shelton. And we're going to take a trip over there and hopefully have a good time. Well, I still haven't figured out a mount for this, but keys on, 2 pumps. Look at that. Just got to find somebody to really give this a good tune-up so we'll start on one click and idle properly. Well, listen to that. I'm sure it could idle better. It's got a little lope to it. So, away we go. We made it to the Shelton show. They put me on the end here in the shade, which I'm grateful for. There's Missy. There's my setup. There's another GMC I gotta show you. One thing that's really cool about this show is they got a lot of foot traffic. Most car shows, you get a few people show up. But this has been a steady stream of people. Check this out. Paying $5 to get in. This booth here.
Hi guys, how are you?
A lot of people are coming by and they all vote. Really awesome show. Talk about a car show. Look, a line to get in. And this is 2 o'clock and voting closes at 2. No, it's 1. Voting closes at 1. A lot of foot traffic. This is a 55 GMC 5 window. And I was talking to the owner. He restored it himself. You see it has the vent windows. Also has a different dash and has the single windshield instead of 2 windshields like mine has. Thanks for watching.